Understanding, be grossed out by, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and common phrase in the English language. Be grossed out by. This phrase can be both amusing and confusing, especially for English language learners. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. Be grossed out by is an idiomatic expression. It means to feel disgust or strong disapproval towards something. This phrase is often used in informal contexts. When someone is grossed out, they find something repellent, disgusting, or extremely unpleasant to the point where they might physically react, like making a face. Understanding how to use be grossed out by in sentences is crucial. Let's look at some examples. 1. I am grossed out by the sight of blood. This means the sight of blood makes the person feel disgusted. 2. She was grossed out by the way he ate his food. Here, the way someone ate their food caused a feeling of disgust. Notice how the phrase can be applied to various situations, from physical sights to behaviors. In different English-speaking cultures, this phrase might have slight variations or be understood differently. For example, in some places, it might be seen as very informal or even childish. It's good to be aware of these nuances depending on your audience or the setting in which you're speaking. Learning synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Similar phrases to be grossed out by include be repulsed by, feel disgusted by, find something revolting. Each of these carries a similar meaning but can be used in slightly different contexts. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, be grossed out by, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and using phrases in the right context. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using this phrase in your daily conversations. See you in the next video.